Let's do number 4. We are going to be solving for each inequality. You don't need to graph it here. It doesn't say graph. Let's draw the line down that middle of the inequality symbol. We have 2y minus 4. Let's try to get the y alone first, so let's get rid of that minus 4. We're going to add 4 to both sides. This process, the negative 4 plus 4 will cancel, leaving me with just a 2y on the left. That inequality does not flip because we just added 4. Negative 28 plus 4 becomes a negative 24. There's this 2 that is attached via multiplication, so we're going to divide by 2 to both sides. The 2 over 2 cancels, leaving me with a y. It is going to be less than or equal to negative 12. Right? We do not flip the inequality because we did not multiply or divide by a negative number. B. Here's the line down the inequality symbol. X is divided by negative 10 minus 2 is greater than negative 4. We're trying to get the x alone, so we're going to add 2 to both sides first because this will cancel. Negative 2 plus 2 will cancel, leaving me with an x divided by negative 10. That is good. The x is by itself now with that divide by negative 10. Negative 2 plus 2 becomes negative 2. Bring down that inequality symbol. Here we have a divide by negative 10, so we're going to multiply by negative 10. We're going to multiply by negative 10. Notice this is a negative number that we multiply by, so we're going to have to flip that inequality. This will cancel on the left-hand side, leaving you with just an x. Negative 2 times negative 10 becomes a positive 20. Remember, we had to flip that inequality because here we multiplied by a negative number. C. Let's draw the line down that middle. We're trying to get the x by itself, so we're going to first subtract 13 to both sides. This is going to now cancel, leaving you with x is divided by 2 is greater than or equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, negative 5. Here we have a divide by 2, so we're going to multiply by 2 to both sides. 2 over 2 will cancel, leaving me with just an x is greater than or equal to negative 10. Okay? We do not flip the inequality because we did not multiply or divide by a negative number. Let's do D. Here's the line down that inequality symbol. Notice there's a negative 7, but that is inside a fraction, so we have to get rid of the divide by 3 first. So we're going to multiply by 3. 3 over 3 will cancel, leaving me with an x minus 7. It is less than 30. Now the x is alone with a minus 7, so we're going to add 7 to both sides. That's the only way we make the number 0. Negative 7 plus 7 will cancel, leaving me with an x is less than 37. All right, so there you go. These are all two-step problems. The only one we had to flip was B because we multiplied by a negative value.